Severe flooding has caused chaos across the UK, with London and Wales some of the worst affected areas. Heavy rainfall and the lake, the rivers bursting their banks, and many homes and businesses have been left underwater. In London, the Thames barrier was closed and second times in just few weeks, and water levels rose dangerously higher. Several major roads were closed, causing widespread disruption to travel and transport. Wales has also been hit hard by the flood, with a break on beacons, seeing some of the heaviest rainfall in the country. Homes and businesses in the town of Furudgоххо have been severely impacted, and emergency services have been working around the clock to rescue people and evacuate affected areas. The UK government has pledged to provide emergency funding to affected areas, and military has been deployed in assist with the relief efforts. However, with more rain forecast in the coming days, the situation reminds precautions and residents to be urged to stay vigilant, to take precautions and protect themselves and their property. The UK has been hit by torrential rain and caused pubs to flood, cars and sick underwater, and sewage to run down the streets. Many homes were left without electricity and cars were stuck due to flooding in parts of England and Wales. This comes after Met Office issue a yellow weather warning due to continuing heavy rainfall in parts of Wales and southwest England.